Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to take screenshot from your computer or from your laptop without any external tools or software, just using default picture. So, if you are Mac user or if you have recently purchased a new MacBook Air or any MacBook device, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. So basically you can see that right now I am on the Shopify official website, and if I want to take any screenshot from this screen, then what I have to do? First of all, in my laptop I have to press Command Shift. Remember, Command Shift, press both button from your keyboard or of your keyboard, then click on the three, just three, then the screenshot will be taken. Let me show you. You see there are three screenshots. If I click again, Command Shift, then three, you see there are four screenshots right now in here. You see four screenshot. Also, if we want to take a partial part screenshot, for example, we want to take this template or this one screenshot, then what we have to do? Then you have to press again Command Shift, then press 4, then now you can select any part of this screen. For example, I want to select this one, so use your three finger and just drag and drop and pass it like so on the touchpad or touch bar. See, you can take any partial part screenshot. Simple. And let me show you. Just wait a little bit time. You see, here is the partial part, a partial screenshot, and here is the full screenshot. You see, very simple and easy. So I hope you understand how to easily take a screenshot from your Mac using three finger and using the default picture. So you don't have to install any additional or external plugin or software on your Mac, because normally a MacBook storage is very limited, and that's why we have to use these tips or tricks to use default feature maximum way, so that we can use our special hard disk space for others work. And I work as a content creator, Shopify developer. I make tutorials for Shopify user, also a designer and developer. That's why I have to do some editing related work, and for that I have to always keep focus on the hard disk to save the space and don't fill it with unnecessary file. So that's why I just show you these tips and tricks. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.